What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala Thaw yung kynhun anti-terrorist squad ATS bakerpang ban tehlakam thik tang haka day bat ki kam lehnoh haka Jylla. Ya ka office bashipor jongka la pli hapo police headquarter da menteri rang ba ka Jylla ukonrat ki sangma haka aruf kendai terik nailur haka jingadon lang usembut menteri rang ba ubak kami ya katanat kampo yung police ubak prestun dan song. Konrad ula penyait ru ya ke conference ba arsngi jong superintendent of police and commandants ha ke balaya tai lor kimat beper ki bayade be kajingdon kam ban pen klan shu ya ki bor pulit ha ke Jylla. Habakran Syllad patai kubor hadin ka jingalang uba prestun ula ong baka ATS ka de kynhun bakerpang balakli da deputy inspector general of police DIG batkan shim ya ka jingkit kli banyale persya iki kampens ir jong kynhun lehnoh ki bakan thup ya ki jingber ngempen bethe bom bat ki wei ki subakam beman hapo ka Jylla. Ka ATS ka de la ka jong ka kynhun trekam ka ban shimti bat shimkya halor ka jings ir na ki kam lehnoh ban pentikna halor ka jingsngan bat ki la jingada ya ka Jylla. Kani ka kynhun ka de ka bala pentebit kerpang ban yale persya ya ki jingber ngempen bethe bom bat halor ki song ki bapen suba dan bom da ka bashim mardor ki sin jam ula ong. Habakali la ka ATS kaya Suriam ni ka National Security Guard NSG uba preston ula pensyai ba ka ATS ka de ka kynhun bakerpang hapo ka police headquarter kamdan kam bakan ka Suriam ba ka NSG. Watla kata ka ATS ka de ka bala penkre pura banyale persya ya ki no ki kam pyntriem jung ki lehnoh. Ha ka bayade baka jingdon jung gidkon uba preston ula ong baka tanat pulit kadang pendan kam menta dai ki bor pulit ki baladan lupa Henry ka jingtung kam kandang yan nang benang penklan ya ka kynhun. Ula kula ru baka jingtung kam keladan ha ka benta ka bakat du bat kan yarap benang penbun ha ka jingdon jungkit kon hapo ka tanat pulit kentuk ATS. Haba benrap halor kani u DIG ke Eastern Range u Davies NR Marak ula ong baka ATS kan de ke agency ke bala pentebit pha kaban kami ya baruk ki kam ki bayade bat ki kam lehnoh kentup ki jing kenra ki jing lung kubor sentiat ba ki jing tokit. U marak ula batai bakat ba katanat pulit keladan lupai ki unit beper Henry kalong badan kam bandan ya ki unit kabala pentebit kerpang bat kaban pelet jing mut tang hakabayade bat ki kam lehnoh. Kani ka day kabala bu da ka MHA ban Thaw ki unit ki ban kami kerpang halor barok ki kam lehnoh la kalong ha ki jing kenra ki jing lum jing tem la ka de ka jing tokit bat ki wei. Kumta da ka babu ya kani ka jingmut na Thaw ya ka ATS kaban kami bait thik tang halor kam lehnoh ula ong da ka babenram ka ATS kandan R unit ka wei kaban kami banyakun lehnoh ha ki jaka Thaw bat ka wei kaban yakun lehnoh ha ki jaka sor. Kani ka unit kan trekam harilum garo bat kin yo ikitiar yale ki bakhan kuntup ika jing a jing kai bat ki wei. Kani ka jingalang kelas saki ka jing a jing batai baka jinga selok halor ki mat beper kuntup ka cyber crime ka an kam beman mai ki jing persyang ban tehlakam ni ka jing rong be an ki menderi bat ki sinjam badan kam ban shim banyakun ha ka jingwan rong u drugs.
Anti-terror squad. Anti-terror squad is a dedicated team headed by the DIG. In case if there is any bomb threat, in case of there is any suspicious element anywhere in the state, this is the team who's supposed to take over and take the whole responsibility to make sure that the terror does not happen in the state. See, when you talk about the state, whether within or within or outside, it's all the same. It is all the same. Terror is terror. Be it within or be it outside, I think that is called terror. ATS, that's what I'm saying. This is for terror, means like a bomb threat. A bomb threat. These are the team who has been specialized. They know, and then they will go to the site. Because see, I think quite a number of times we used to get a call from different quarters. They inform like DIG, see, there is a suspicious package that we have somewhere. Then immediately this team will take care of. See, not necessarily, but we have created a dedicated team, as I said to you, within the PHQ to tackle those situations wherever arises. Or the IG is here, Mr. Davis is here. You had also further.
With regards to ATS, the need for ATS, you have asked this question. Yes, it is true that we already have existing police units, but you see, all police units, they are working in different domains. Like for instance, police stations, they investigate cases. We have, like you asked, SF10. Yes, we have an SF10, which is a commando battalion, which looks after operations. We have SB, which collects intelligence, etc. But there is a need for a specialized agency or a unit which will encompass all these activities and will focus only on a very specific topic of terrorism. This has been mandated by MHA to set up a very focused and a specific unit to look after all terrorism related matters, be it operations, be it intelligence collection, be it investigation, etc. So with this in mind, we have set up this ATS, which will specifically look into the very specific cases of terrorism, be it investigation, be it operations, be it intelligence collection, etc. For jungle warfare and jungle operations, and one unit will be dedicated for urban operations. Yes, we will. We require all types of police personnel for different operational requirements are there for different operations, and accordingly we will be recruiting, or we will be having different types of police personnel in the ATS as per the operational requirements. Unit which will be operational in Garwens. Yes, like I said, this is a very small but a specialized unit dealing with terrorism, which requires not only specialized weapons but also specialized equipments, training, resources, etc., which will be provided to ATS. Yes, we already have these different units, but they were all working separately. What MHA wanted is to have a single unit or an organization which will take care of all the specialized tasks as a single unit. So this is what we have tried. This is the reason why we have set up this ATS, which will work exclusively in dealing with terror-related cases or dealing with terrorism.
This one, ICCC, which was already inaugurated in Meghalaya, that in New Syllad. We discussed today that it will be also integrated with the police department, with the police headquarters, where this team will also be able to get all the data, whatever done from that ICCC, it will also be transferred to the police for any illegal activities, for any issues, be it in urban or be it in rural area. Right now we are okay with the manpower of, you talk of ATS, you talk of ANTF, you talk of other branches, or you talk of any cells. Right now we are running. Of course, I don't say it is 100% completed, but let me just tell you one thing, that we are as of today okay as far as manpower is concerned. But of course, we will further strengthen this shortage of manpower very soon, as I said to you, because now the process of the recruitment is also in the final stage. So I'm very sure that once this is done, we will be able further to strengthen the manpower in the police department.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.